Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're going to install a Sprint Booster on a 2020 Dodge Ram Limited. So like most machines straight from the factory, this truck over here has got a little bit of delay in the throttle response, just like most machines. So the Sprint Booster is going to get rid of that. As well, the Sprint Booster also has other features like valet mode. Say if you get somebody to get in your car, it'll limit your response to 30%. So that way they can't take your car for a joyride. It also has pedal lock mode, so when you leave your car and you don't want them to be able to drive away, you're all set too. So be sure to check out Sprint Booster, guys. Get on there on sprintboosterusa.com. Be sure to check out our catalog of all the machines that we can get a Sprint Booster for. See if your machine's on the list, and then pick one up for yourself.
The first step is to locate the throttle pedal assembly. Directly above it in plain sight is the clip to the wiring harness. Pull the switch towards you and pull up to release. Plug the Sprint Booster into the wiring harness, then push down on the clip to lock it. Plug the selector switch into the Sprint Booster, then mount it on your dash with the provided adhesive. Plug the Sprint Booster into your throttle pedal assembly, and you're good to go.
Well, thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you want to pick yourself up a Sprint Booster, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let us know what machine you want to see next in the next install episode. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.